Good morning, Tony here, Johnson RV in Medford, Oregon. It's a 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24TB. So this is a twin bed model. All the amazing build quality that you would expect from leisure travel. It's got the full-length power awning with LED light. It's got frameless windows. Good amount of outside storage. It does have a ladder for the rear and spare tire carrier back here. This coach has not been detailed yet. It just came in, but it's in fantastic condition. Driver and passenger seats, very, very nice. All the interior in this coach is like brand new. Nice tri-folding table here, like a dinette table. Again, overhead storage. All the build quality that you'd expect from leisure travel. Here's a TV up here. Your sink area, 2-burner cooktop, lots of storage down below as well. You do have a pantry right here. Here's your refrigerator and freezer, microwave oven. Again, more storage. This coach does have the shower and commode separated. Showers on this side. Large shower with skylight for extra headroom. And then on the opposite side, you've got your commode, lots of leg room in here. Good amount of counter space and some more storage in here also. And then here's your larger closets for your hanging clothes. One on this side and one on this side as well. And then it does have the split twin beds back here that do convert to an RV king size bed. Another TV back here as well in the bedroom area. And again, tons and tons of storage overhead. Really nice accent lighting. If you'd like more information on this coach, please let me or anybody else on the team know. We'd love to help out any way we can. Again, Johnson RV in Medford, and I hope you have a great day.